With the new Easy View, it's easier than ever for operators to see what text is on your slides. Often when you're running ProPresenter, it can be really helpful to see a lot of slides at one time. But the problem you run into is it can be very difficult to read the text that's on each slide. And some themes make it even harder, so even though this might look awesome on my main output, it's really difficult for an operator to view that text. And that's where our new Easy View comes into play. If I go down here and click on the T icon, I'm going to change my presentation view from the grid view to the Easy View. And you'll see how easy it is to view all the text. Plus, you have formatting options just for Easy View that doesn't affect your final output. So I could go in and maybe change the alignment here or change a font color, and that will apply for Easy View. Now, the easiest way to enable Easy View is to actually use the tilde key on your keyboard. When you press that, it'll enable Easy View until you release it. And so when I press this down, you'll see Easy View. You'll also notice that not all the text is being shown on the slide, but it is showing the beginning and end, so you can still click with confidence knowing what text is coming next and what text is at the end of each slide. And you can hold down that tilde key and still click around to slides, or use keyboard controls like the spacebar or the next arrow, or you can even type in slide numbers or hotkeys to jump around your presentation while you're still holding that tilde key. And then you can release the tilde key at any time to get back to the grid view.